sa 50 to 54 age group men. Number 5006, Guhitya Edsel. Guhitya Edsel. Asa naman ito si Edsel ano eh? Dagdayan Vincent Omar. Fourth place, number 5001, Nelio Darwin. Bronze. Third place goes to number 5002, Adolfo Simon Neo. Second place, number 5005, Olaibar Nino. Third, ang second si Sir Olaibar, no? And first place goes to number 5003, Aguilar Bilber, Team Iowa. And the rest na ito natawag nyo na who receive the certificate, please come to the stage para itong Mountain City Victoria. Okay.
First place, second place, third place.
Saan ito magagawa sa Okay, age category 55 to 59.